Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today in this video we are going to cover IIT G Foundation of class 8 topic quadratic equations 8th question. So what is given guys here? The roots of the equation x by x minus 1 plus x minus 1 by x is equal to 2 by 2, 1 by 2 are options 1 comma 2, B 2 comma 1, C minus 2 comma 1, D 2 comma minus 1. So let's solve. Take the given equation. We need to find the roots of the given equation. Okay. So take the LCM. We get x minus 1 into x, that is it becomes numerator becomes x square plus x minus 1 into x minus 1, that is x minus 1 whole square equal to 5 by 2. That is convert into fraction. The mixed fraction convert into fraction. So simplify. We get 2x square minus 2x plus 1 by x square minus x equal to 5 by 2 guys. So cross multiply. We get an equation like this: x minus x square plus x plus 2 equal to 0. Okay. So we get an equation as minus x plus 2 equal to 0. So taking minus common, we get x squared minus x minus 2 equal to 0. So what are factors of 2? Middle term 1 guys. So 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is 2 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So take down that. So we can write x squared minus 2x plus x minus 2 equal to 0. From first two terms we can take x common, x minus 2. So from second two terms we can take 1 common. 1 into x minus 2 we get same. So overall we can take x minus 2 common and x plus 1 is left out. So equal to 0. X minus 2 equal to 0, that implies x equal to x plus 1 equal to 0, that implies x equal to minus 1. Therefore the options are 2 comma minus 1 guys. So 2 comma minus 1, that is option D. That is option D guys. I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.